This bedding set promises to transform a kid's room into a rock star's haven, but does it hit all the right notes? Let's dive into the Manfei 7-piece drum kit comforter, set for twin-sized beds. Right out of the vacuum-sealed bag, you'll find a comforter measuring 68 by 90 inches, a fitted sheet designed for a 39 by 75-inch mattress with a 16-inch depth, a flat sheet at 67 by 96 inches, 2 standard pillowcases at 20 by 30 inches, and 2 fun 18 by 18-inch throw pillow covers. The design itself is a vibrant blue, yellow, and white musical instrument theme, aiming for a modern, cool vibe that should appeal to boys and girls who love music. The material is high-quality polyester with a microfiber fill, and the brand emphasizes its softness, breathability, and fade-resistant qualities thanks to a special microfiber treatment and eco-friendly dyeing. They claim it maintains its smooth and soft appearance even after multiple washes, which is a big plus for kids' bedding. The set is designed to be easy to care for, just a cold wash and low tumble dry, with no fading or pilling expected. It's also described as lightweight, making it suitable for year-round comfort. When it first comes out of the packaging, the comforter might have some wrinkles, but the instructions suggest a quick sun exposure and a gentle tap to fluff it back up. This is pretty standard for vacuum-packed bedding. The digital print patterns are meant to be versatile, fitting various decor styles from vintage to modern. It's not just for bedrooms either. They suggest it's great for guest rooms, dorms, playrooms, or even RVs. Overall, the Manfei drum kit bedding set seems like a fun and practical choice for any young music enthusiast. The combination of a cool design, easy care instructions, and claims of durable, soft material makes it a compelling option for adding some personality to a child's space. It appears to deliver on its promise of a vibrant, comfortable, and musically inspired bedding solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.